Hi friends, welcome back to Ruchi's teaching channel. This is Ruchi here. Today I'll be teaching you about View tab in Microsoft Word. Okay, in this like you're seeing the screen which you are seeing is MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. Now I am in File tab. Okay, before starting the video, I would just say that if you have still not subscribed to my channel, that is Ruchi's Teaching, please subscribe the channel. And if you like, after seeing or after listening to the video or watching the video, if you like it, please like it, uh, share to your friends, share it in Instagram, okay, so that they can also have this knowledge. Okay, then let's enter into the video first. Okay, now as I said that already in my previous videos I have completed till review. Now today I am going to give a brief explanation on View tab, with which we will be completing the MS Word. Okay, right? Now we'll enter into the video. Now we are in MS Word document 1. I have opened a document. The name of the document is document 1. Now in this I am in a file tab. Can you see my mouse pointer? I am moving my mouse pointer. So I am in file tab. Now I will be entering into view because I am going to explain a view tab. Now when I click on view tab, you can see the options over here, right? Now here three some groups are there. I will just read for you the groups: document views, show, zoom, window, and macros. Macros I will be explain you in separate video. In this view tab, macros are very important. It has some important purpose for it, so I will be doing one separate video on macros. Today I'll be explaining till switch windows, right? Okay, now first come to document views. In document views, here print layouts, full screen, all these are just views. Whatever you are typing on the system, like in the document, that will be viewed in different views, like print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline, draft. Now I will show you the different views of this particular document. Now I will just type some matter. Okay, now this matter can be viewed in different layouts. First I will be clicking on print layout. Okay, can you see here nothing has happened when I clicked on it? See, when I clicked on it, nothing has. That means you are in print layout, right? Next comes the full screen layout. What is full screen layout? Reading is the page which you are seeing will be now you are in first document. That page, that too you are viewing little bit of it on the screen. If you want to see full page, you have to go to full screen reading. I am clicking on it, just observe it. Fine. Okay, see, this is the full screen in the sense full page of that particular document. Okay, first page of that particular document. I'm closing here. Can you see? I'm keeping my mouse pointer on close. I'm clicking on it. Now I have come out of that full screen reading, and now I am in print layout. Now again I will go to, now I want to go to web layout. How you will see this document in the web? Just I will give a click on it. See, can you see the change? This will be the web layout. Now I am going to outline layout. See, can you see? All outline view has come. Some different changes will be there. Now close it. If you want to close the outline view, you have to click on close button. Sorry. Next. Again come to view. Now here we have completed till outline. Now come to draft. See, you can see the change of that particular page or a screen to draft, right? Understood? So these are the document views. Now come to ruler. Can you see here ruler? Now when I click on this, sorry, if I these are nothing but the check boxes. Now when you just give a click on the check box of that particular thing, ruler, grid lines, or whatever it is, it will be checked. That means that is selected. That will be shown on your system. Now I am clicking on it. See, can you see the difference? Before it was not there, this ruler. Now ruler has come. That means now ruler is on your system. Now come to grid lines. Now what is the grid line? When I clicked on grid line, can you see wherever you have started typing or where you will end the typing till that place, it will be showing the box like things called grid lines. Next comes to the navigation pane. I will give a click on navigation pane, see what happens. Now in this navigation, can you see here when I clicked on the navigation pane, it is showing some vertical box like thing which is called navigation, where you can search the documents, whichever document you want in this word you can give the name of that document here, and you can just give a click on this button, search button. Then automatically it will navigate you from one document to another document. That is called the navigate pane. Now I will remove this navigation pane, grid lines, just for your understanding purpose I am showing that. Now come to zoom. What is zoom? Zoom is nothing but it will show the letters or words or whatever it is, page or whatever it is, or dialog box. It will zoom the situation. It will increase the size of the letters. Now I'll click on it. Now you got one dialog box here which automatically it has been set to page width. If you want to increase the zoom, you can go for 75, 100, 200. Suppose now I will take 100. What happens? See. Okay. So that page has been become to 100%. So the same thing it is showing here. Now here can you see one page? It is showing for one page only ruler. Now if I go to 2 pages, already I have taken only one page, that's why it is showing only one page. Page width. Again it has come to first position, that is page width. Now come to Windows group. Here new window. Suppose if I want to create a new window, now I am already in document 1. If I want to see new window, I will click on it. Automatically it will create one more window. That means under see, can you see a document 1 to 2? That means 2 windows are there. Document 1 is there, 2 is there. Document 1 is below this 2. Okay, the same thing will come in that. The same matter will be in that first document and second document, but 2 windows it is divided. Now see, I will go to again view. Now here what I will do is, all 2 windows are there. Now I will say arrange all. That means it is arranging 2 windows in one screen. This is first window and this is second window, right? Now again go to, I will say normal. I don't want this. I will close it. Okay. I will say arrange all. Automatically it will take the back position. Now split. What is the meaning of the split? It will split the document into 2 parts. See, split has come on the pointer. See, I will split this here. See, can you see? In one document only it will show two pages, right? It's not 2 pages. It will show as if the 2 documents are there. Now switch windows. Now suppose if I create new window again, 1 and 2. Now I will say switch. Here if I keep view side by side, see what happens. Understood? One window has been splitted. This one, that is this, and this one is another one. So 2 windows are kept to the side by side. Now if I say again, I'll close this. Now you have come to the same position again. Now here switch windows, that means if you want to switch to one window to another window, you can go in this way also. As I said earlier, with the navigation pane also you can go switch to different windows, right? See, now you are in only one is there, two I have removed, that's why it is showing one. Now suppose if you want to me to show two, I will show you. I will create new window and I will say switch windows. See, you got it now. Two windows are there, one and two. Now you are in second document. Now I'll go to first one, right? Understood? Next, so till here this video is completed. Now this macros I will be explaining in separate video. That is very important thing in view tab. Okay, with this I'll be ending the video. My next video will be mostly macros. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you like it, share it, subscribe it. Okay then, thank you, bye bye.